I'm pretty sure it cleared the SD card too. And I charged it. We just hit like 35,000 miles. What am I gonna do? Change the oil with Liqui Moly. And this is the dyed one, so if there's a leak, you can see it. Not that I'm anticipating a leak, but nevertheless, you know, why not? Shout out Liqui Moly, and shout out Malay. I don't even know how to say it. Malay. Alright. As you can hear, the fan is still on. Since we're here, check to see my coolant levels for my turbos. That's good. Well, it's a cold reading anyway, so we're gonna open this. Maximum airflow. That's the only thing I'm gonna open, so I don't forget. Let's see thank you. All the dads are off. Yeah. V8 twin turbo going up. V8 twin turbo going up. That I just kept going. It's really good to do a little visual inspection, make sure there's nothing crazy going on. Alright, let's play. Alright, for those of you that don't know, it is a 17mm socket for the drain plug on a 2013 F10 M5. Man, who tightened this? It was me. Clean up as you go, you know? Not something I do in the kitchen, but something I do when I'm working. This is my channel, not yours. As you can see, we're using the best oil money could buy for your German car. Liqui Moly. Drain plug. There it is. And you want to try to protect this one in case you rip the other one on the install. Yeah, that felt right. Same size. Now we're going to run it to the second. Make sure this is seated and it's spinning evenly without going up or down. And it pops when you put it in, then you know it's good. Our filter. Go ahead and run it up. You want to hand twist it. Make sure it's not cross-threading. You taking notes? You don't want to over-time it. You can't break these, by the way, which is the last thing you want to do. So you won't be able to add a rope. Alright. So you want to use a new crush washer because this is malleable and it's going to make a seal with the metal. I'm not going to lie. Some part of me wants all the oil fully drained out. Look at that. BMW. Oh, these are my aftermarket charge coolers from Project Gamma. Oh, what's that blue hardware you asked? That's my Downstar hardware from Downstar. Yeah, I hate to flex, but somebody's got to do it. Hate to flex, but somebody's got to do it. Liqui Moly This is real life moly turned into a liquid oil for cars. But there's moly in here, so your car may be going a little bit faster than it should be. That doesn't really make sense. Do I need a funnel? No Cerritos over square. Oh my god. It's real green oil. It's Hulk oil. Hulk. Better take these out. I have blue and gold hardware, teal and gold hardware in my engine bay from Downstar. As you know, these are soft closed doors. So if you're gonna do this, make sure you just take out one at a time. Pull, replace, and now this hardware is gonna match the engine bay. So Downstar is through like colored hardware.
Oh, okay.
So every door.
Okay.